Good morning, student. How are you? I think that you are all fine. But I think that nowadays it is very difficult situation and we cannot do anything, we cannot go anywhere where we can get some knowledge, we can earn something. Since you cannot do that for your supplement, today I am going to tell you something which will help you to go forward. Today topic is suffix and prefix. In my next class I told you something about that. Regarding this suffix and prefix, today I will give you noun, verb, adjective. It is very important for you. If you want to solve the question of suffix and prefix, you need how to make noun, verb, adjective. If you are able, you will be successful. Now, I have written something. If you want to make noun, if you think that the given word is asking you to supply noun, you must think how to make a word noun. If you add last of the word er, you can make some words noun. How? I have written er and maker. Make was verb. With make I added there er. This way I made noun. And another was meant. If you add there last of the word meant, that can be also noun. Punish, punishment. Then tion. If you add tion last of the word, you can make also noun. That word can be, that is invention. And sion also, expression. ious, behavior, ness, ness. If you add last of the word ness, that will be noun. I gave one example, that is business. Age, cover is noun. Tour, visitor. This way you can make some noun. And if you think that in my last class I told you where you will use noun, where adjective, this way, no? And you can remember that. Now I am going to tell you about verb. If you use last of the word en, that will be verb. Short, shorten. Short, shorten. Glorify. From glory, glorified. 8. Regular, regulate. Regulate. ISE. Normalize. This way you can make some of the words verb. And if you think that the given word is asking verb, you can make this way some verb. And you can also get many things about this in class 6. Try to remember that and try to follow. And now I am going to tell you about adjective. If you add like, you can make some word adjective. That is business like. And also less. If you add there less, you can make also adjective. Powerless. No power, powerless. ISS. Bookish, bookish. Okay. Full, beautiful. You know, this is adjective. And OUS, dangerous. Able, portable. This way you can make some words adjective. And You must know how to make noun, verb, adjective, and if you are able to make that kind of words, you can think that you will get some marks regarding suffix and prefix. You must know vast. If you want to know more, you can go through a book. When you were the student of class 6, that time teachers taught you some rules to make adjective, noun, adverb, no, this way. That time we did not think that this is very important to solve the answer of suffix and prefix. Now you are thinking that it is very important. You are now adult. You can have the power. You can think. Go through book, and we are giving some supplement by these two things and support of the parents. You can be able to know vast of suffix and prefix. No more today, student. Stay at home and be safe.